B, C, D, E, F, G.
Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to Edunation Eco Funnomics. I am Shreya Roy and today I shall be discussing with you China ki smartness. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to talk about all the strategic business, smart, brilliant plans of China. We are boycotting China, I know that, but I am just here telling you about all the, business minded good things, not good, but really हम लोग सब यहाँ पे कोरोना में we are stuck at home, हमारा GDP crash कर रहा है and it's a total chaos. But China is actually strategically playing it really, a very tough game. तो आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ पांच चाइना की अतरंगी strategic plans, and the fifth one is amazing, mind blowing. मतलब आप लोग सोचोगे हैं ये है क्या? Anyways, I'm really excited about this video. Before we get into the video, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed as yet, please do, because you wouldn't want to miss interesting videos, knowledgeable ones. So please subscribe and like the video if you like it. And now let's get into the video. A little disclaimer. We are not bad people. हम लोग यहाँ किसी को criticize नहीं कर रहे हैं. We believe in the fact that every person is a gift of God. तो हमारे लिए हाँ, every country is a gift of God. तो we are not criticizing anybody. हम लोग बस उनके अतरंगी plans को discuss कर रहे. Okay? So first one, the brilliant one, the first one. The oil market has a new competitor, and it is not from Saudi Arabia or Iran or Kuwait, any of those Middle East countries. It is China. Guess what? हाँ, जब हमारा लॉकडाउन एकदम नया स्टार्ट हुआ था, the entire world was locked down. तो क्या हो गया था? पेट्रोल का दाम क्रैश कर गया था. India is an exceptional case, but all over the world and in some places, in some countries, यहाँ तक कि even in USA, पेट्रोल के दाम नेगेटिव में जा रहे थे. मतलब ऐसा हो गया था कि कोई पेट्रोल खरीद नहीं रहा था, एंड अब पेट्रोल को स्टोर करने के लिए पैसे लग रहे थे. तो ये जो पेट्रोल के सप्लायर्स एंड होल्डर्स थे, वो लोग बोल रहे थे, भैया आप लोग हम लोगों से पेट्रोल लेके जाओ, स्टोरेज का खर्चा आप उठाओ, हमसे पेट्रोल लेके जाने के लिए वी आर पेइंग यू. तो इट वाज लाइक आप पेट्रोल भी ले लो एंड पैसे भी मिलेंगे. तो इस मौके का फायदा चाइना ने उठाया. व्हाट डिड चाइना डू? चाइना एक्चुअली बॉट ऑल द पेट्रोल एंड इट स्टोर्ड. एंड जब लॉकडाउन खुल रहा है, वो ओपेक के डिसाइडेड वर्ल्ड प्राइस ऑफ पेट्रोल से $1 कम चार्ज कर रहा है. Isn't it brilliant? I mean, amazing. Okay, number 2. China has collaborated with Pakistan to do a secret research on infectious disease. ये क्या हो रहा है? एक पैंडेमिक से इन लोगों का मन नहीं भरा था क्या कि दूसरा पैंडेमिक का ये लोग खोज कर रहे हैं? Yes, you heard it right. The very same Wuhan lab जहाँ पे कोरोना का खोज हुआ था, the very lab where the disastrous corona COVID-19 virus disaster took place, that same very lab has collaborated with Pakistan for a 3-year research deal to research on some infectious disease which can be used for military purposes. I don't know, these people can never be trusted upon. Okay, third one, the South China Sea route dispute. इसके बारे में हम सब ने सुना हुआ होगा. Since World War I, the sea route was used by Japan for its own military purposes as a military base. But then gradually and slowly, China ने क्या किया? They started making some historical claims on that busy sea route. And mind it, this is the busiest sea route जिसमें से ट्रेडिंग हो रहा है. तो अब चाइना ने क्या किया है? वो चाइना के आसपास के, मतलब साउथ सी रूट के आसपास के आइलैंड्स के ऊपर उसने क्लेम्स बना लिए. क्या हो गया कि सिंस वहां से इतना ट्रेडिंग होता है, द रूट इज सो बिजी दैट एवरी ship passing through that route will have to pay China some tax, some custom duties. So, however, the dispute is still on, and it is still on international, controversies and being held upon trial on the United Nations. But let's see how things turn out. Number 4. Do you know how much money the world owes to China? Well, it is $1.5 trillion. I mean, it is huge. So, based on a Harvard report, China has given loan to 150 countries around the globe, and it is more than what the IMF or the World Bank loans out. Yes, you heard it right. So basically 150 countries are in debt to China. मतलब कैसा हो गया है, let me tell you, जैसे हमारे very prior neighboring country has done it. So पाकिस्तान का किस्सा is not unknown to us. पाकिस्तान का भी सेम मिजरी वाला स्टोरी है. उन्होंने चाइना से लोन लिया हुआ था जो वो रिपे नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. And when you're not able to repay loan, the country, the Asian smart country, China, actually takes over that poor borrowing country. So basically क्या हो जा रहा है, हमारा 19th century का जो colonial rule था, जो Britain, the Great England हमारे ऊपर किए थे, बाकी colonies के ऊपर किए हैं, China is actually regaining it based on financial powers. Well, I'm not really sure कि China ये सब क्यों कर रहे हैं. I mean, in the 21st century, do you really need to prove your political, economical powers? I mean, by making colonies again? I mean, what's the motive of having the word freedom then? I mean, independence, freedom तो बस बोलने के लिए रह गए हैं. I mean, 150 countries are basically मतलब चाइना के दबाव में ऑलरेडी है. हद है. Okay, as I promised to you, the 5th strategy जो कि सबसे अतरंगी है, the 5th Chinese अतरंगी strategy, जिसका पीछे का motive nobody has discovered, nobody knows why China is doing it. China is mysteriously sending seeds to US citizens. Yes, you heard it right. Pumpkin seeds, fruit seeds, vegetables, flowering plant seeds, सब कुछ के ऐसे डब्बा में भर के कोई एक random American citizen का address लिख के they are just sending it, they are just posting it, and there is no logic behind to why they are doing it. I mean, come on, they are not stupid. Obviously they have something behind it, but what is it? I mean, you wouldn't send international citizens just random seeds, but yes, they are doing it. Well, that's all for today, and please tell me which was your favorite Atrangi strategy of China, and if you are still here, then please hit that like button and share it with somebody if you can. And until next time, toodles!